Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple hair mask. This is oat milk and cocoa hair mask for very dry hair. If you're suffering from dry and frizzy hair, which is usually common during summers, then this hair mask will give you smooth and shiny hair. This is suitable for all hair types, and when you use this hair mask, you don't have to use any conditioner. So this is the result of the hair mask after you use it. So if you want to know how to make this hair mask, then please continue watching. The ingredients for this hair mask is first oats. I have purchased this online. It is easily available in any supermarkets. These are rich with hair loving ingredients such as fiber, zinc, iron and omega-6 fatty acids. All of these come together to stimulate your dormant hair follicles and promote hair growth. With regular use, you will notice that your hair appears thicker, longer and stronger. I will be making oat milk out of it. Next is cocoa powder. You can also purchase this online. This is easily available and you can use any brand. Cocoa powder also contains protein and an extremely high level antioxidants which will help to make your hair stronger and healthier. Using cocoa powder in hair mask will not only add perfect color to your hair but also improves your hair growth and make it more stronger. I will be using 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next is 1 ripe banana, which is quite ripe. The banana contains minerals and nutrients. It contains various vitamins and other key ingredients which is called potassium. This will promote growth while also moisturizing and hydrating your hair. I will be using 1 banana. The next is oil. I will be using kalonji oil. You can use any oil of your choice like coconut oil or even olive oil. Using kalonji oil because it has anti-inflammatory compounds which reduce irritation from your scalp. It also lessens scalp inflammation, thereby reducing dandruff, and also helps to keep your hair healthier and shinier. It also helps to grow your hair thicker. So these are the ingredients which goes into the making of this mask. So the method to make oat milk is that you need to boil 1 cup of water and add 2 to 3 handful of oats to make at least 2 tablespoons of oat milk. Once the water starts boiling, just drop in the oats and leave it for, and you can put off the stove and leave it for cooling for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So once the oats is cooled, you can see that the water has turned milky. Then this is the oat milk which you will be requiring. You can also powder the oats and use it. So since I am boiling it, I will be using in this method. So you can strain this oats to get the oat milk. Strain it with a clean container. So you will be getting 2 tablespoons of the oat milk. The oats which is remaining can be used as a face pack, or even you can consume it with adding little honey and banana. So this is very good for your health also, and this is very good for your here. I use it on my hair to show the benefits of this oat milk. Here I've got 2 tablespoons of this oat milk. The next would be to add all the other ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and then add the banana which you have peeled, 1 ripe banana. And next is the oil. You can mash it smoothly if you want it, otherwise you can just use a blender to make this into a smooth paste. You can use this immediately. So if you have made it in excess, then you can store this for the next use, but use it within 2 to 3 days. This amount is enough for my shoulder length hair. If you have long hair, then you can increase the quantity of all the ingredients accordingly. So this hair mask is suitable for all hair types, and you can use this once in a week and use this during you can keep this on your hair for at least 2 to 3 hours, and you can apply this from the roots to the along the length of your hair and keep it for 2 to 3 hours, and you can wash it off with mild shampoo. To use shampoos, you can use any of the natural shampoos which I have shown in my videos, or use any mild shampoo. So your hair will turn from frizzy to smooth within few uses. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like it, share it. Thanks for watching.